Got some flooding on the way in. Could change lanes. In some ways there's an advantage having somebody in front of you at a little distance so you can see what's going on. And big puddles. Here we go. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna move over one lane. When it gets stormy like this in Palm Springs, I try to stay in the middle lane. And the streets are generally kind of, you know, so in theory you'd get more flooding on the right and left sides. That's only in theory, because there's definitely these certain pockets where it's just going through the river. Summer is coming, but it's a ways off for now, so enjoy these rivers. Ooh, yeah, it's majorly flooded. Yeah, getting a car wash on the side. Yeah, oh gosh, visibility has went to 0. Yeah, it should make some good film, right? Should be kind of interesting. Oh gosh. Somebody washed their car yesterday. Okay, so I got a smoke alarm that it's malfunctioning and going off, but I think that some of these have behind the sticker a deal to see how it says slide to activate. I believe that there's a way to turn this off. Yeah. Alright, that's it. So it's got a little switch there. Oh, so we deactivated it. Now, I don't know if once you deactivate it, that's it. If it will no longer function. Alright. I just killed it, but did what I had to do. It was malfunctioning because it got wet. Now it can be recycled. Here we go through downtown Palm Springs. They just built this complex right here. Seems to be finished up. They still seem to be doing a few minor things on the outside. Came out pretty nice. And big hotel behind here. I forget the name of it.
The Hotel
It's
Rowan.
like really high end. And this
Rowan.
is like a bigger Starbucks. It's kind of used to be right there, Starbucks, and they moved it across the street. It's like they're doing construction there too. Speed limit's like 25 miles an hour through here. It's a delivery truck. Oh, here comes a lot of water. Nice. Wow. This is why I'm in the middle lane. You can tell that for sure there's just a ton more water on the right lane. Really, 0 visibility when somebody comes up next to you. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.